freestyle. It's freestyle time. Let's say you did it. You found your rap song, you've printed it out, you've memorized the first 8 or 12 bars, and you've performed it over and over again. You're starting realizing the benefits that you're getting out of it for your acting skills. Now it's time to step up the game a little and make it even crazier than that. Now it's time to freestyle. Yes, and usually when I approach my actors, no way, we're not gonna freestyle, we're not paying you for this. Oh yes, you're paying me exactly for that. Because freestyling is a super impressive tool for your brain. It forces your brain to think in rhymes. It narrows down all the channels of thoughts, forcing your brain only to think in a consequence of finding the matching word that rhymes with the previous one. Not only, while you're trying to find a rhyming word, the other side of your brain tries to find a story and improvises a story. So there's the story and there is the rhyme, and both are interacting with each other. You will recognize it after trying this out a couple of times when you're stepping up on stage, when you're stepping inside the audition room, or you're stepping in front of the camera to deliver your lines, how important it is to eliminate all the background thoughts about your mother, your laundry, your cat, your car, whatever, all nonsense, right? And you're just focusing on what you have to do. This is the only thing that you have to do right. Finding the rhyme, delivering the line, having a great performance without any interference. So here's a little tool how you can create and kickstart your own freestyle session. Let's say you take a particle, add. Add is super powerful, included in a lot of words out there. You pick out a few letters that you place in front of the add. Let's say an F, an R, a C, an H, and a B. And it goes a little something like this. Top of your head, improvise. I got a nice black cat and his name is Tad. He's a hybrid between a dragon and a very ugly bat. My cat is so fat she can jump on my lap, and my girl is getting mad cause Tad behaves bad. So we went to the pet shop to buy a fast rat so Tad could chase Dad instead of getting fat. But rat and cat tag, oh yes, and they tagged. They formed a dirty pack, destroying my wife's favorite yoga mat. And that was bad and sad. That was a pretty poor freestyle, I admit, but it was just there to make a point. And sometimes live and improvisation can go very strange ways. I'll leave you with this little gift at the end of this video as a thank you for sticking with me till the end. It's actually a little tutorial video on how to create your own freestyle song as a freestyle song. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and share. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and see you next time. Do love act. This is the coach on a nice sunny afternoon, teaching your kids how to create your own freestyle tune. You just pick a beat directly from YouTube and tell the world what you see with a rhyme. It's called poetry, it's pretty easy and fine. Look outside the window and place it down on a sheet. You got trees, you got cars, you got parking lots, you got the temperature rising up, it's pretty hot, a lot. You got strange kids playing strange games, you got UFOs and airplanes. Man, don't feel no shame, don't feel no restraints, don't put yourself in the frame. Living freestyle is the name of the game. I said living freestyle is the name of the game. Yo, let it stratify deeply. Be the king of styles like Bruce Lee. Your own university. Tell it to your family. Poetry from here till eternity. Till eternity. Yes.